Hello everybody, so in today's video we have got a bit of a breakdown. As you can see behind we have the 265. We are just halfway through scraping the collecting yard. As you can see the yard's been scraped and the cubicles have all been scraped, but we're just getting towards finishing, sweeping out on a Sunday morning, and we have had a bit of a breakdown. The track rod end on the other side has failed, so we haven't got a spare because you know, just because we haven't. So what we've got to do, we've got to get this out, got to kind of cobble it together and get some steering to get us back out, swap the scraper onto a different tractor, and come back and finish sweeping out. And then today is so today is Sunday, tomorrow is bank holiday, kind of Boxing Day. We ain't going to get nothing to replace it till at least Tuesday, assuming somewhere is open and we can get one. So could be a few days of scraping out with a 35, but you know, that's the benefit of having a spare tractor. Okay, so here we can see it's broken, it's wore out, time for a new one. So there we go, the old 35 comes and saves the day. So 265 will obviously be fixed now as soon as we get the parts. There's a few cold mornings coming up of sweeping out without the cab on. So yeah, as soon as we can get the bits, 265 will be sorted and back where it belongs. But just shows the usefulness of having a spare tractor knocking about that can do this kind of thing. There's hundreds of these doing this every day anyway, round and about the country. This one is kind of retired now, but still capable of helping out when we need it. So if you take a look in the description box down below of this video, you will find a link to FarmFlix. They are the online farm video provider. If you click on that link, they will take you to a free trial, so you can try for 24 hours, watch what you can, take a look around, see if you like it or not. And then if you decide something you want to do, you can become a member and get a year's access to their videos. So there's a massive back catalogue. There's hundreds of hours of high quality, it's all good stuff, you know, it's really well edited, it's well put together. So as well as being entertaining, it's quite informative as to all the machines and various different farming practices as to what they've covered. So if you take your trial and you decide to become a member, there is a little price rise coming on the 1st of January. So if you convert to being a member this year, before the end of New Year's Eve, you will get this year's price. Otherwise, just a little rise on 1st of January. So a little tip for you there. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time, which will now be next year. So this is the final video of the year. It's turned out to be a Monday video because because this was filmed on a Sunday, I'm not going to have time to edit and upload in time for Sunday launch. So this will be a Monday video, final video of the year. But as it's the bit between Christmas and New Year, nobody knows what day of the week it is anyway, so it's not really going to matter. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next year.